What does it mean when we say silicone roof coatings are hydrophobic, and how is that different from being waterproof? Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. These two terms are often used together, but they are not exactly the same. Hydrophobic literally means water-fearing. In practical terms, it means the surface naturally repels water. When water lands on a hydrophobic surface like a silicone coating, it tends to bead up and roll off instead of spreading out or soaking into the material. This happens because silicone has very low surface energy, so water molecules don't want to stick to it. Now, waterproof means something slightly different. Waterproof means the material does not allow water to penetrate through it. In other words, liquid water cannot pass through the coating and reach the roof underneath. Silicone roof coatings are both hydrophobic and waterproof, and this combination is one of the reasons SiliconEx 500 performs so well on roofs, especially in conditions where standing water or heavy rain is common. If you ever have questions about silicone roof systems or how these materials work, feel free to reach out. Questions? Contact us or comment below. Like it, hit like, want more, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.